Hey guys, what's up? Today, we're diving into something a bit different from the usual tech reviews. We're talking about the Paragon matte white projection screen, and if you're serious about taking your home theater setup to the next level, this is definitely one to consider. And of course, if you're thinking about picking one up, I've included a link in the description, so make sure to check it out. First things first, this is not a standard small projector screen. The Paragon matte white has a massive viewing area of 177 inches high by 236 inches wide, which means your living room instantly becomes a cinematic space. But size isn't the only thing that matters. What really stands out is how it manages light, contrast, and color to provide a consistent, high-quality image. The screen features a premium matte white surface, designed for uniform light diffusion. This is crucial because it ensures you don't get those annoying bright spots or uneven brightness that can ruin your viewing experience. Whether you're streaming 4K HDR movies, playing the latest console games, or just watching standard HD content, this screen makes your projector look its absolute best. One thing I really appreciate is its versatility and placement. You can mount it directly on the wall, use a retractable system, or integrate it into a more permanent setup. The matte surface is excellent for controlling ambient light, so even if your room isn't completely dark, the contrast and color remain impressive. And unlike glossy screens, you won't get distracting reflections or glare, which really helps maintain immersion. Let's talk about the viewing experience because this is where it gets exciting. With a screen this size, you're not just watching content, you're experiencing it. Movies feel massive, landscapes feel lifelike, and gaming becomes incredibly immersive. Think of racing games where the track fills your entire field of view, or first-person shooters where every detail pops. Sports broadcasts also benefit, giving you that in-the-arena feeling without leaving your home. Setup is another area where this screen excels. Despite its large size, it's surprisingly easy to install. The frame is lightweight yet durable, and the tensioning system ensures the screen stays perfectly flat. That's a big deal because even a small warp or wrinkle can distort the image and reduce quality. Paragon clearly put thought into making this a user-friendly experience without sacrificing performance. Aesthetically, the Paragon matte white is clean and professional. It doesn't draw attention away from your content, and it fits seamlessly into any home theater or media room. The design is minimalist but elegant, allowing your projector and media content to be the main focus. In terms of performance, this screen delivers across the board. Testing it with both HD and 4K HDR content, the results were impressive. Colors are vibrant but natural, blacks are deep, and whites remain bright without washing out the image. It's clear that the screen is engineered to maximize your projector's capabilities. Gamers will also find this screen particularly compelling. The size and quality make every gaming session more engaging, turning what would normally be a casual experience into something more cinematic.